Hey everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to use Slack as a beginner. First, you have to make sure you have already installed it from Google Play Store or App Store. And once you have it, you just have to simply click onto its icon to open it. Once you open it up, it will ask you to sign up with your email address. And once you do so, it will take you to this home page. On Slack, you can create multiple profiles based on different clients. You can manage your whole dashboard and work separately, each for your different client. So once we get to this homepage, here we have different sort of channels. These are actually groups in which we talk with different team members. First, we have this option. If you have saved it, you will find it up there. Then we have this one. If you have sent or received a message, you can find it there. Then you can hear out from this option. Then these are the channels. Channels are actually group. You can make a group with your different teams, like one for marketing, one for finance, and based on these groups you will add the people related to these groups. A channel can be for everyone, like here we have the channel where all the team's member are there, but if you want to create it from specific people, you can also do it. You can name it anything, and after that you can assign or add people based on your choice. If you keep it private, then you will add specific people. If you make it public, then all those people those are added into your team will get to that channel. Other than channels, if you have done a specific chat like a DM with your any of your team members, your boss, or maybe with your client, then you will find all these chats there. You can click onto it and you can just simply check out your chat. Also, if you have a large number into your work and if you want to filter out, there is an option. You can just simply sort and view as per your preferences. Then we have the DMs. Whatever chats you have done, they will all appear there. In the activity, you will get the notification. And at last, we have this more option. Here we have canvases, list, external connections, and assigned to you. If you have assigned any work, it will appear there. And list, whatever work is there, you will find all of that work here. Other than that, if you go to any chat like a DM, you can message anything, and you can also add attachments. For message, just simply type your message and then send it. Otherwise, you can attach a file, attach a link, you can send a voice message, and you can see we have different options. You can do all that here. You can mention people, you can change the phone and other stuff. So that's all about Slack. This is how you can use as a beginner. I hope you find this video helpful and informative. If you're new to this channel or you have not subscribed yet, then make sure to subscribe it for more informative videos and updates. You can leave a like, comment if you have any queries, feel free to ask. Thank you so much for watching the video.